increasing clouds and the possibility for showers. I'll showcase those numbers in a moment. Let's start things off though at a foggy view of downtown San Diego, kind of a spooky view here from the rooftop of Coronado Peyoe's restaurant. Visibility is very reduced. I was traveling out of Chula Vista this morning on 8th Street, headed onto the 805, and I could not see anything in front of me. It was less than a tenth of a mile. Dense fog advisory is issued for the coastline through 9 o'clock. As you enjoy your cup of coffee, blow dry your hair, do whatever you got to do to get ready this morning. Temperatures outside are cool, so I would recommend layers because this afternoon we're looking at a warm day on tap once those clouds mix out. We will have uneven clearing though for the coastal area. So if you're looking for those cool, mild conditions, just head west where daytime highs will be in the 60s and 70s. Here's that ridge of high pressure. It's going to keep us warm for one more day. Then we'll have this cutoff low dive a little south tomorrow, and that will cool things down. So Saturday acts as our transition day into a cooling pattern. We'll have a secondary trough middle of next week, and this is not only going to bring cooler weather, but increasing clouds and the potential for our first round of showers for the month of October. In fact, here's your day-by-day chance of rain. I'm going to step out of the way, and you can see how it starts to rise. 7%, about double that on Thursday. So it's looking most likely Wednesday, Thursday, potentially into Friday. Coastal areas, here's your 7-day forecast. We'll have dense fog all the way through the weekend as onshore flow increases. And then, as I mentioned, we have that chance for showers. We'll have increasing clouds, the potential for patchy drizzle, heavy mist blanketing the coastal areas, especially as those winds out of the west start to increase. Inland areas, we're also seeing some dense fog this morning, so leave time for travel around the 5 and the 15. As I mentioned, Saturday is our transition day. Still really warm, close to 90 degrees, but take a look at Sunday. We're in the upper 70s, and by next week, those temperatures are closer to seasonal. The mountain areas will also get their fair share of cooling. One more day of the 80s, and then we drop down to the 70s this weekend. Some of the coolest days will be next Wednesday and Thursday. Take a look at what I have on store for Thursday, mid to upper 60s. In the meantime, another really warm day on tap for the desert areas. We'll have rapid warming once the sun fully rises. Daytime highs will be in the low hundreds later on this afternoon, dropping down about 5 degrees on Sunday, and then we'll stay in this pattern of mid to upper 90s all the way through Tuesday before we push down to the 90s, eventually the 80s by Thursday.